Go and check out our homepage creativehome.com. You can go on the shop and take a look at our hand-drawn posters. New posters are added every couple of days. And if you like, you can also click on textures and Photoshop files which are on Gumroad, and you can download them for free. As an architect, it is mandatory to record ideas, write down speech protocols from meetings, and to visually communicate with your clients. For this reason, architects often carry around sketchbooks and have them laying close to their working spaces. The physical form of a sketchbook will probably never disappear. And that's because, and that's what I think, and I know many others of my profession share the same thought, it's a different feeling holding a pen in your hands and sketching on real paper. It might also be quicker. But there are options that come really close to that real physical feeling. One of these options is Concepts.app. Concepts.app is a sketching application for both Windows and iOS and could be used on desktop PCs, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and also on graphic tablets. And the best thing, it's 100% free, but there is a pro version or a premium version too. So I'm going to review Concepts.app today and show you why I think Concepts is the ultimate tool for architects. The gallery contains all of your drawings. You can create folders, rename your drawings, and sort them however you like. When you start a new drawing, you literally start with a blank canvas. The drawing size in Concepts is infinite. The free version starts with 10 different pens and a maximum of 5 layers. The pens are touch sensitive and totally free to adjust in color, transparency, size, and also smoothness. The layers can be set to visible and invisible, you can lock them, and you can play around with the transparency of every single layer. Concepts has a color picking option similar to what you know from Photoshop. You can also switch to a selection tool, so you can select parts of your drawings to scale or even delete them. Several features can be set to different gestures. By default, a 2-finger tap is undo and a 3-finger tap is redo. The back of your pen is an eraser tool, but you are totally free to change these and also some more gestures. I am using Concepts on a Microsoft Surface Studio 2. The Surface Studio has a really cool optional feature, which is called the Surface Wheel. And I think it's really cool that the developers of Concepts had thought about that, and you have the full pen control in Concepts when you use the Surface Wheel. Unfortunately, using Concepts on Windows has some disadvantages in comparison to the iOS version. The iOS version is in possession of a precision mode where you can use a ruler and exact measurement units to draw. According to the Concepts development roadmap, the precision map is soon be coming on Windows 2, but keep in mind that Concepts, like many other sketching tools or sketching applications, is primarily developed for an iPad. Everything you have seen so far is free, but Concepts is also offering a pro version. And yes, I got the pro version for a really fair reason. The pro version allows you to import images, it also allows you to export in more than 300 ppi. The outcome of Concepts is incredibly high resolution and you export in all common file formats except PDF. PDF also is a pro feature which costs you $5 extra, but that's pretty fair, to be honest. The $5 pro version also offers an infinite amount of layers instead of the 5 layers you have with the free version. In the Concepts store, you can also add new pens and textures. One package usually costs $2. If you want the Pro version, the PDF upgrade, all pens and everything which gets released in the store in the future, you are also able to pay $5 on a monthly base or $30 per year, but you're not forced to pay a single cent if you want. Overall, the Concepts app or software for me has become an absolutely indispensable everyday helper. I use Concepts for sketching ideas, drawing buildings for my upcoming book, and also draw graphics for clients, as well as my notebook on the construction side when I talk to my clients or to do my construction diary documentation. You can also take pictures and immediately import them into Concepts. In this case, I am using the app on a Microsoft Surface Pro 7. I shoot the photos directly in an infinite drawing, and then I can write notes and highlight things in the photo itself. The fact that Concepts is for free is stunning, and the costs for the very useful Pro features are insanely fair. In my eyes, Concepts is the perfect tool for architects to help you in every situation of your working life, and I will definitely not miss Concepts anymore. Thank you for watching, have a great day and stay creative.